my YT homies? It's your girl Alethea coming back with another video. And in this video, I decided to do an actual tutorial. So this is not a get ready with me. This is a tutorial on how I created this look for the Christmas holidays. Everybody's putting out their Christmas looks and I decided, girl, why don't you go ahead and get in on the fun? And I have on this cute little festive outfit legging set. Girl, let me see what I can show y'all. This is by Fashion Nova. Y'all know I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, but it's just this cute little legging set. Girl, look at that waist. Baby, you know y'all know I had work done, but baby, your girl has been back. Your girl has been back in the gym. Your girl has been back in the gym. So I'm gonna tell y'all all about my little workout I do. Now this shirt is a little big, but it's okay. Girl. It is so comfy, y'all. It is so comfy. I'll tell you no lie. So
go on there and check it out.
Well, now that we've gotten all that out of the way, let me get my whole life together and share this video with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then please continue to watch. For this look today, we're using the Jackie Aina x Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So we're gonna start out by going into the crease with ginger. I'm just gonna go and put this all in my crease as my transition color. I wish this palette has something just a little bit lighter, just a teensy-weensy bit lighter than ginger, because I think for my complexion, while ginger is great, I need something that's just a little bit lighter depending on the look, but we make it do what it do. For my brow bone, I may highlight today, but just for right now, I'm going to do like I typically do and put my setting powder on my brow bone just to set it, just in case I decide against adding a color to it. The next color I want to go with is Credit, right here. Credit is this dark brown color right here, and I'm just gonna take Credit and put Credit along this area. Just along that outer V and the V and the outer corner of my eye rather. That's all I want to do. I'm gonna put Credit there. I don't want to take it up into my crease. I just want to keep it out here. For my crease, not the whole crease, but I'm going to take Wiggley's. I'm going to take Wiggley's and put Wiggley's at the top of Credit and bring Wiggley's up into my eyes just a bit, not too much. I just want to give that red over in this corner. Then I'm gonna kind of mix it in with Wiggley's and just bring it right there. Not too much. I just want that red, just a little bit of that red. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. And then I want to go back with ginger, and then I'm gonna take ginger and just go over Wiggley's. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take Sponsored, this color right here, and I'm going to put Sponsored on my lid. Just taking that color and just patting it in, stamping it on, whatever you want to say. I'm not going to rub it in, just stamping it on to get the best color payoff for this color. Okay, so now that I've gotten that how I want it, I'm going to go back now and intensify. Where did I do with my brush? I'm going to go back and intensify credit and wiggle these back in the outer corner. So I'm gonna take the brush and I'm gonna go into credit, and then I'm going to go into wiggle these. I'm going to go into credit and wiggle these back and forth at the same time, and just put that over here in the outer corner and bring it into sponsored. Just stamping that in and blending it in with sponsored to get rid of any lines of demarcation. Okay, so now what I want to do is, if I can find it, take this little pencil brush right here I got with the Nabla Cosmetics, and I'm going to take pinker, and I'm just going to go and take pinker and go across the top of here. All right, y'all, and then once more, I'm going to take credit and just blend all this out right up in here. Not credit, I'm sorry, ginger. And just blend this out all up in here. All right, you guys, so I am back, and let's see which liner do I want to put on my waterline. Hold on. So I think I want to take this green pencil from NYX and put this in my waterline. And I'm going to put credit in the outer corner, and I'm going to put sponsored in the inner corner. Something that I don't do all the time is an inner corner highlight. So I'm gonna put Soleil right here. And I'm gonna just use this same brush I put pinker on with and put that over here. For my lips, do I want to do red because of this being a Christmassy look, or what do I want to do? Tell me what I want to do, guys. Yeah, let's go ahead and go with a classic red. This is not, we're gonna do Ruby Woo. Now this is not a lip liner, this is an eyeliner, but for my lip liner, so once again, as always, I thank you guys so much for coming to check out another video here on my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. I would definitely appreciate it. I would appreciate it so much. Please, like I said, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And as I always say, until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.